Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start by preparing your development environment with Node 16 and NPM. Create a project using npm init and install 3.js and a simple HTTP server. Allocate about 50 MB for sample assets and models to avoid slow loads. Use GLTF models and keep files under 5 MB when possible. Run a local server on port 8080 for development. Test in a modern browser that supports WebXR and secure origins like localhost or HTTPS. Initialize a 3.js scene and create a perspective camera with 75 field of view. Set the camera near plane to 0, 1 and far plane to 1000 for reliable depth. Create a WebGL renderer with anti-alias true and set pixel ratio to window. Device pixel ratio. Add orbit controls for desktop control and enable WebXR for VR sessions. Load GLTF models with GLTF loader and set model scale to 1 and position to 0, 1. 6, 0 for correct eye height. Support both immersive VR and flat canvas modes for wider compatibility. Configure WebXR session modes and provide a mono fallback for phones and tablets. Deploy your build over HTTPS with a valid certificate and serve large assets from a CDN. Optimize performance by limiting draw calls to about 500 and capping texture size to 1024 pixels. Use frustum culling and LOD to keep frame rates above 60 FPS for comfortable experiences. Monitor memory and reduce asset sizes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.